Hi and bonjour. Welcome to 5 Minutes of French with me, Les Mots. This video, we're going to take a look at an IR verb, finir, meaning to end or to complete. Fini um, is a pronunciation for that. So here we have our 7 simple tenses along the left and over here. And following the video we made on the IR verb, we see that the infinitive is used as the base for le conditionnel and le futur. The other the other tenses of the 7 simple tenses just use fini, Fini. There's quite a bit of overlap between what you might expect to see with the IR verb conjugations and the ER verb conjugations. For example, both le imparfait de indicative and le conditionnel have the AI ENT ending for the third person plural. The imparfait du subjunctive has the FINIT form, which is very similar to what's found with an ER verb. So just kind of going down through here, you can see SST is kind of a recurring theme. So here in le présent de l'indicative, you've got SST in the singular, first person, second person, third person tenses. And then you have the same SST pattern here in le imparfait de l'indicative and le passé simple. Same SST pattern on the singular side. Then in le futur, you've got the infinitive itself plus the conjugations of avoir as the endings for the singular. First person, second person, third person. Then, of course, on the singular side, le imparfait de l'indicative, the endings are very similar to what we find in le conditionnel, except for the double S's and the use of the infinitive as the base, finir. So for the last two, le présent du subjunctive and le imparfait du subjunctive, these are very similar. You notice that these are 5/6 the same, i.e., this, and on the singular side, the first and second person, and then on the plural, first, second, and third person are the same between the le présent du subjunctive and the le imparfait du subjunctive. With the exception of that FNIT there in the third person singular. Just like with an ER verb, these endings here in the third person plural are ENT with the exception of le futur. This tense uses ONT. And another thing I like to think of is just like with the ER verb, this IR verb also uses the full infinitive here in le passé simple before it transitions to using the full infinitive for le futur and le conditionnel. So those are some patterns that you can memorize, and there's some tricks for that. For example, I always like to think of le imparfait as adding an I over here on the plural side. So it gives you a little bit of a relationship between the I that you find there on the plural side and the I at the beginning of le imparfait. We also have that over here on the imparfait du subjunctive. We've got the I here corresponding to the I here. So there's some tricks to kind of put this into your memory and be able to, uh, basically recreate this table from memory when you want to. Hey, I appreciate your joining us here on 5 Minutes of French. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.